Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So here I am taking my earrings to wash it off as it has dirt accumulated. So take your earrings in a bowl. Here I am adding a spoon of shampoo. You can take any shampoo of your choice. Now add some water. Stir it well. Keep it aside for at least 10 to 15 minutes and then you can check your earrings. Now throw away this water and take a clean bowl of water. Wash your earrings again in the clean water. Check, it looks clean. The dirt is almost gone. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.